Assalamu alaikum and welcome traders to today's video. Today, this is not going to be an educational video, but of course, you will have a lot of educational material in this video as well. I'm going to upload today a daily analysis on gold. Okay, so it's Thursday, 18th April. Yeah, 18th April. And today we are expecting a news on jobless unemployment claims around 8:30 New York local time. At this time over here. Okay. So for the last week, for this current week, gold is being in a tight range, like the swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Once it took this sell side liquidity, created this swing low, we expected the price to fly above this swing high and reverse or retrace from this fair value gap, which it didn't, although it was a nice buy. So again, at this price on Tuesday, we are expecting a nice classic buy from this FVG and hero at this FVG. It was a nice buy, lackluster price action, then strong down candle, and then buy side liquidity. Of course, I'm expecting the previous week high to be swept this week or week after next week. Then once we read about this buy side liquidity, if you can see this price section, it's very like without any momentum at all. So from this order block open price, we were buyer again, and it was a nice buy. Even from this order block open, we had a nice buy again. And at this price over here on M15, I will show you later, I had a break even, and I was just tape reading at this. Yes, I was just tape reading at this price. So I will show you later. Now we have swept these equal lows, relatively equal lows, and tapped our order blocks open price. Plus we have covered the imbalance completely. This is the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. We have covered it completely. Down close candle closed above. It closed above this swing high. It closed above this short-term swing high. Will confirm our structure shift. And on the time of news, I'm expecting the price to consolidate. Once the news hits like around 8:30, if the price is consolidating in this tight range, and on the news, I will expect this downside momentum, downside manipulation, then buy side liquidity sweep. So this is the buy side liquidity target around, if we measure the target, it's around 270 pips. So it will be a nice trade. I'm 110% sure on it. This is gonna be like a trade of the week, best trade of the week for sure. So let's wait for this trade to play out. But for the news, I want the market to consolidate, or if it doesn't consolidate, if it can gives the trade in London session over here, like if we see something like that, back to the order block, then a close above this order block, then if the news hit at this time on this price from this inefficiency in H1, okay, then we will see a downside momentum back to this level retest and buy side delivery again. So this is gonna be the news forecast for you. And this is complete forecast for today's news, and I'm again saying I'm very confident on this analysis. These are gonna be 100% true, 100% accurate. So let's wait for the news. At the same time, let me show you the weekly performance of the market. Once we broke below this low, it was a nice trade. I had some students who enter from this inefficiency fair value gap, and their ultimate target was this buy side liquidity. So again, consolidation. This is an expansion, and after an expansion, we expect consolidation. So after a consolidation, there is only one expansion again, another expansion. So this is another expansion. We had a nice trade in this fair value gap over here. Somewhere, this was a fair value gap on H1, complete fair value gap. And these are kind of order blocks on low time frame. So we had entry from this fair value gap till this high. This was our first TP, a kind of safe and secure TP. And the ultimate target was this buy side liquidity. I had my break even at this point, so market took my break even and then read to the buy side liquidity. Again, I didn't short it from this buy side liquidity sweep. Waited for the order blocks, H1 order block open price. This was a nice trade yesterday on London, in London, and the buy side liquidity was ultimate target, but it created equal highs, created liquidity and swept the same liquidity and right down. So now I'm expecting the price to give me a continuation trade from this zone, and the ultimate target will be these highs if I'm trading from this level, and these equal highs. I'm also trying to give you the long-term forecast in gold as well, starting from weekly time frame. In weekly, this is the previous week low and high. So I'm expecting previous week high liquidity, or even a rejection or retracement or pullback from this 50% of the daily rejection block. And the best buying zone is, of course, this week high and low for me. This is the best buying option, second buying option, but we will do complete analysis again if price gives us a chance here. At the moment, I'm expecting this buy side liquidity. In daily time frame, this is the last swing low. Price didn't break and close below the swing low. It didn't even swap the liquidity. And now we are expecting this buy side liquidity Tuesday high and the previous week high. If we close below this swing low, then I will expect a retracements from these levels, minor or nice pullbacks from these levels, and the ultimate goal is this price, this imbalance over here. This will be our long-term buy trade. So that's today for the analysis. Let me show you some weekly performance from Monday. This was a trade in gold market maker model. There are the silver and silver. It's gold. We had a trade here and market maker model low over here. This was around 50 to 60 pips trade. Nice clean trade. Then I said that we were expecting this. This was a nice buy trade, and I was expecting a retracement or complete reversal from this inefficiency, but it didn't. Just broke about this inefficiency, which confirmed our overall bias in buy. Let's see the Tuesday price action. Tuesday price, this is US dollar index, London session. And if I'm bearish on US dollar index, then definitely I will buy US gold. So silver, 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 where's gold? Here's gold. This was my forecast in gold. I was just expecting a sweep here and then buy long-term target, previous week high. Daily time frame, same objective. If this liquidity sweeps this week or the next week, then we will see a deeper pullback. So this is my gold trade. A nice gold trade it was, with around 20 pips stop loss, and it gave me around 100 pips right from the week. And these were the trades during the Canadian dollar CPI. These were just scalp trades. The swing trade was during the London session. Wednesday price action. On Wednesday, I was again bearish on dollar based on these analysis, but from this liquidity, price read about the liquidity in London key zone, whatever you say, silver bullet, I don't know about that, but it was my kill zone, and you can see the price action. Same here, gold rate with around almost 30 pip stop, and the target was ultimate buy side liquidity. Gold for you, 15-minute time frame, 15-minute imbalance and rejection from this imbalance. So that's all for today's. Those who are in the group know this. I have shared some of the screenshots with them. And if you want to join the group or Telegram, I will share the links in the description of this video. So currently, I'm very confident on these analysis. I'm expecting buy from this area, and the buy side liquidity will be my ultimate target. And it will be a very clean target. But I want the price to consolidate till the news, and manipulation in the news, then expansion after around 9 a.m. of New York local time. So that's all for today's analysis. Thank you very much for watching the video. Goodbye, folks.